Well, folks, this is a real coup for me. It's Eastern Whipbird. I think it's the female. As far as I know, getting them on film is very rare. I can't believe my luck. Sometimes patience does pay off, doesn't it? I'm very quite chuffed at getting this. I think it's a female anyway. Its mate that's doing the first part of the call is very nearby. Oh, that's awesome. That beautiful sort of khaki moss green back that they have. It's no wonder they're so hard to see in the undergrowth. Hopping around like a little rat. I don't know where its mate is, but there are two here. He's right in there. If I go any closer, I'm going to disturb him. I can just see him flitting around in this, near these lamandras, right on the edge of a little park. Just see him. You might be able to see that little bit of movement. There he is. I've got a pair of them. Oh, this is awesome. There's the male and there's a female just joining him. Oh, awesome. Eastern Whipbird. Like I said, very rare to catch them. You often hear them, but you rarely see them. I got some still photographs about 3 weeks ago, which I was lucky to get. I've just come out for a walk actually to go and get a coffee, and threw the camera in